Hello subscribers, today is the first broadcast. And the first broadcast is a review of Brother Embroidery machine. This is the Brother machine I just bought. If you look here, I'll show you around now. Now it's a model called SE630. And I'm going to review this computerized sewing and embroidery machine. I just bought it, and if you look at it, I haven't even opened the seal on the box. Let's unbox this for the first time now. Yes, I currently live in California in United States. I purchased this at Walmart, a large supermarket. I bought it at Walmart, and it cost $398 at Walmart. It's price before sales tax. And as of today's date, today is March 31, year 2024. Now, let's take a look at it. Well, I opened it and looked inside. It has a white cover like this. This is a cover to prevent dust. So, I think it's a cover that goes on top of the machine to prevent dust from getting in when it's not in use. Is a device that holds the fabric in place. Next, there are various scissors, needles, and other tools in it. Now, when I opened the bag, there were various tools like this. To be honest, I just opened it and don't know what it is. But just looking at it, these look like scissors, and this looks like a repair tool. This thing looks like a needle and needle. Next is this one, which looks like a pedal you step on. I don't know right now, but anyway. Next, there is a booklet like this, which looks like a user manual. Next comes the power cable. So now I've taken out everything up here. And now I'm going to expose it with this sponge. Now let's get it out there. Now there is a piece that looks like this. Next, inside the box, there is the final machine body. Here's the main body. Now, let's assemble it. Well, I almost missed it because it was so white. Let me show you. Yes, there are these complicated devices in it, but honestly, I still don't know what they are. We will find out little by little. Now, let's look at the included manual, assemble it, and learn how to use it. Now, looking at the manual, I see that this is a unit for embroidery. So, this is what I need. You must install this. I'm doing it because I want to do embroidery. First, I'll rip off all the tape. So, this is the main unit. And that is embroidery unit. Is a sewing and embroidery machine. I don't need to do any sewing. Since I bought it to do embroidery, I think I took this out. First, let me rip off all the tape with this sponge. Underneath the basic unit falls out. Now, just insert the embroidery unit like this. I pushed it until I heard a click, and it went in. Now, give us a line and insert it on the side. Next, there is another hole here, and the requirement is to insert the foot pedal that I showed you earlier. Now, let me take a look. Okay, so after unboxing, I assembled it. Use embroidery. Now, let's end the first video here.